Well, hello folks, let me get around here. Oh, sit down and relax a little bit. Hey, how about I look at the camera in the eye? Or should I call the camera a cyclops? Anyway, thought I'd do this video after I got done there at the Outdoorsman. Grab yourself a cup of coffee, we're going to sit down and chat a bit. I had to grab this one, God, Freedom, and 2A. And that picture there, I had put on this cup, my Bible, the 45 and some 45 ammunition, and the flag. Oh, that's good stuff. Anyway, I did find something at the Outdoorsman. I only picked up one box because of our finances and this Biden inflation. Bidenflation? There we go, Bidenflation. Because they don't say it's a recession or inflation, so Bidenflation. There we go, this way. It's not anything out of the ordinary. Anyway, I picked up a box of cowboy action rounds of 45 Colt. 20 rounds for 26 bucks and some odd change. Plus the state tax came out to $29 plus some odd change. Hornady, like other ammo companies, put out good ammo. Let me show you what one of the cartridges looked like. I didn't grab my pocket knife, I grabbed my keys. There we go. That saves the box from getting ripped up too much, especially with my fumble fingers, as you can tell. Open this puppy up. I like the cardboard box because that brown box kind of gives it the older look. That's not a bad looking round, if I say so myself. The primer is down in the case farther, not even with the case, which gives it a little expansion room. Okay, let me see what weight slug we have here, if it tells me. I should say 255 grain, 255 grain cowboy action 45 Colt. That's not a bad looking slug. Lead flat nose, good for target practicing, good for the cowboy action stuff. I wonder if 255 grain slug plus cowboy action loading would be good for hog hunting. Talking about that, that's one of the reasons I got the buy me a cup of coffee in the description. I've got a buy me a cup of coffee / Tracy Loop down below in the description part if you'd like to donate to that. Between plans for possibly doing a hog hunt video, I've also wanted to be able to go to the target range, be able to put a few rounds in paper, and that's going to cost me a little bit. I figured, well, I've got that. I might as well advertise it and use it and see if my YouTube page will pay for making the videos. I'd also like to eventually get to the point of doing some riding videos. I've got my scooter, but I'd like to upgrade to a motorcycle. Plus, you never know, I might, during the Christmas season, want to pick up some more rail or something like that for the O-scale. For an O-scale video. But my run to the Outdoorsman today, I had a new guy helping me. He didn't know me. That's alright. I had him kind of look at me funny when I said I only wanted one box. I wasn't going to be greedy, because that's the cheapest I've found, 45 Colt. Other places I found it for 50 rounds, anywhere from $59 to $44. Pardon me for the sneeze. And no, I don't have a system to edit this. So you're getting video as it comes out, including the sneeze. So I thank you for watching my video. I thank you for your support. I thank my subscribers. And I'll keep making videos for you. You keep hitting the thumbs up for me. How about that? We'll talk with you later. Bye-bye.